Hello and welcome to Four Little Bears. This is the 12 Days of Christmas Special, Day 6. I'll be using the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar linked below. And today I'm going to make door number 5 a sticky note folder. Actually 2 of them because my camera did not record the first one. This is your last spoiler alert as I go through opening day number 5. And again, if you watch the series, you know that I have been using these doors to make 12 Days of Christmas projects because they are too cute to not use. So here's the one with the actual door on the front. I just cut out that one and put it on front. But I'll make another one because apparently my camera was not recording the whole first half of that for some reason. So for this, you'll need an 11 by 3.5 inch sheet of paper scored at 4 1/4 and 4 3/4 along that 11-inch side. And then for me, because I have a short scoreboard, just flip that and score it at 2 inches on the other side. Basically, you should have 2 4 1/4 sections and a 1/2 inch section in the middle. And I'm just going to glue that flap closed. And this is literally only for stability because this is the back where we will be placing everything. So that little extra bit just helps for stability. Just clean up those edges. I'm going to add some elastic to help keep the folder closed. If you're going to decorate the back, do that first. I'm leaving my back plain, so I'm going to go ahead and punch 2 holes with my larger punch. And then stick through my elastic. And when you cut that elastic, just make sure you've got enough slack that it's not going to bend the pages when you fold it closed. And if I can get this without throwing it around, I'm just going to pick one of these crocodile, what are these called? Oh my goodness. Brads? Decorative brads? Is that what they're called? Oh my goodness. I'll look it up and I'll put it in the video. I can't believe I forgot what they're called. Yeah, but anyway, I just used the top half of that to basically smush it closed. Make sure I'm lined up over here. And then I'll do the same thing with the other side. I'm going to kind of come through this at a weird angle because I want to make sure that it wraps around the front without twisting. And do the same thing. I'm putting the pretty side of the brad on the outside because I will be covering up the inside. And just making sure that that is all flat, and that's how it closes. To cover up that inside piece, I will use an approximately 4 by 3 1/4 sheet. Mine's a little shorter than that because I use scraps, but 4 by 3 1/4 will give you a much more even border. I'm just going to make sure that I glue this down really well all the way around those brads. They will show a little bit, but I'm going to cover them up with some sticky notes. So I've done a sticky note holder on here before, and I will link that one down below. This one's just a little different. You've got your normal 3x3 sticky notes that you can put right here. And I'm just aligning these onto my red sheet, making sure that I can fit them both on there. And then also the little tab sticky notes will fit in here too. And again, I'm just going to try to make sure I get all that excess glue out and get those stuck down really well. To decorate, I'll use some of the stickers from the kit. Somehow this looks like an exclamation point to me. And that is the basic construction of it. I will go ahead and speed up my decoration section of this so you don't have to watch me make decisions on the fly. And then, of course, I will use something from day number 5. I'll just pick one of the cute little sentiments there. Day number 5 was all sentiments. It had the bigger ones, but then it also had little ones too. And I should have mentioned earlier, this is pretty heavy cardstock. If you don't have as heavy a cardstock, you'll probably want to use the method that I used in the video that I will link below, where I used chipboard and covered it with lighter weight cardstock. But this is my hammer mill. I will link that down below too. It is a really nice weight for this stuff. And I'll bring back in the actual one that I was supposed to do for this, which has the door on front. And again, for that door, I just cut out the section that had the rounded corners and the little border. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and have enjoyed this whole process. We've already gone through half of the 12 Days of Christmas projects. I hope you guys enjoyed this process as much as I did. I've had so much fun making these projects. Please leave a like, subscribe, and share. Every little bit counts. As always, guys, have a great week. Stay safe, stay blessed, and have an amazing holiday season.